Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome on my channel. So today is actually my wash day. Like, my hair is very dirty right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. But just before that, I just wanted to tell you that today I'm actually gonna try for the first time to do an aloe vera hair treatment. So I heard many good things about aloe vera for skin, for hair, so I actually wanted to try to do a treatment with that on my hair. So I was actually inspired from one of Natural 85 videos about how she did it. So if I can find that video back, I'm gonna put the link in the description box, and also I'm gonna list all the different benefits of aloe vera in the description box as well. So if you want to see how I'm gonna do it, the application of the treatment and the final results on my hair, just keep on watching, guys. Alright, so this is my plant. So I'm just gonna cut 2 leaves for that. So that's what the leaves are looking like. So I'm just gonna cut some pieces so that it can be a little bit easier to be able to remove the jelly part that inside, the meat, if we can call it like that. So yeah, I just cut in pieces. Then I'm gonna cut the sides that have some spiky things on it. So after that, I'm just gonna cut the flat part because it's easier, and then I'm gonna take a spoon and just take like the jelly part. It's easier to take it with a spoon than with a knife. So yeah, I'm just being careful to be able to take everything. We don't want to miss anything. And then I'm gonna put it in a little bowl that I'm gonna put in my on my mixer after that. So yeah, I'm making sure that I take every single part of that aloe vera. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue and do that for all the 2 leaves that I got. Alright, so now this is my bowl that I'm gonna put some Jamaican black castor oil with that, just to be able to have more benefits for my hair treatment. So yeah, I'm putting that on my mixer, my blender. So I don't want to have a liquidy texture. I still want it to be a little bit gooey, because that's gonna be easier to like part everywhere on my head instead of if it was liquid. So now I'm taking 1 leg of a tights. So I have a hole here, so that's where I'm gonna put my mixture. So after that, when everything is poured, I'm just gonna have to squeeze it to be able to remove all the concoction that I want for my hair treatment. So I'm doing that. That's what Natural 85 said, just because that way you don't have some junk, some parts that's gonna stay on your hair, and that's gonna be difficult to remove when washing your hair after that. So there's not gonna be like some junks and of meat and things like that. So I'm just gonna pour that in my bottle that already has a little bit of coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil. So now my hair was already washed with my shampoo, so that's gonna be my treatment. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit. I just wanted to show you the texture of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna put that on my scalp first, because that's the driest part of my hair, and then the remaining that's in the bottle, I'm gonna apply that on my hair itself. So I'm really making sure to massage my scalp and to apply it evenly on my hair. Yeah, so after that, all I did was put that in a little ponytail, and then I put on my plastic cap just so that it can mix with my natural heat from my from my head. So yeah, then after that I kept it for I think an hour. Then I went and conditioned my hair with my conditioner, detangle, went under the hooded dryer with my rollers and dried my hair. So I'm gonna show you on the next day what it looks like. Okay people, so I am back. I didn't film like right after I washed my hair just because it was so long when I was done. So I am back the day after to tell you what I feel about this aloe vera hair treatment, hair mask type of thing. So yeah. Okay, so first I thought that it was quite a long process to do like all these things, to cut all the leaves and to press it with the tights, but I think that it was worth it. Like, I'm touching my hair right now and it feels so soft, and I'm sure that's because of that, because I didn't change any other thing in my wash day routine, just that hair treatment. So I really feel like my hair is soft, especially when I am like 1 week away for my relaxer. That's usually when my hair starts to feel like dry and things like that, but today my hair is feeling soft and I am very happy with that. And with the method that Natural 85 showed, that you had to press the concoction in the tights, it really removed all the junks, all the meat parts that could have been left in my hair. So it was really easy to like wash after that. So I don't have any pieces of aloe vera left in my hair, like only the benefits of it. Like, and I gotta say that it was so fun, like the gooiness of it. It was like such a weird texture, such a weird experience to put that on my hair, but it was really fun. And the only thing that I would do different is I would actually use a little bit more, because my hair wasn't like fully covered in the aloe vera. So yeah, my hair is a little bit, is quite long and it's thick, so the 2 leaves that I used wasn't enough for me. So I think next time I'm gonna have to put like 3. Yeah, and I forgot to say that the aloe vera didn't leave any smell in my hair, so I am very happy with that. So guys, that's it for that video. I'm gonna try to do more natural do-it-yourself hair treatment, things like that. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, like the button is like right under here. But yeah, leave me in the comments what hair treatment that you do with all natural ingredient. I would like to try more of those. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I love y'all, and don't forget to watch one of my last video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.